Hello everyone, welcome to the third part of how to make a Discord bot and Discord.py series. Today we are going to be doing kick and ban command. So we're going to open up our project like usual. So mine was saved here in tutorial bot. Going to load up Visual Studio Code inside of it. Like so. Here's where we left off. We created a ping command in our cogs stuff. We also set up in the same video. So in our cogs folder, we're going to create a new file. We're going to name it ban.py, and we're going to import our normal libraries of Discord and ext commands. So we're going to name this class ban, and we're going to put it in the commands.cog thing and do our init function like we always do. Self.bot equals bot. And then we create at commands.command. Now here we're going to add another one, which is going to be at commands.has underscore guild underscore permissions. We'll put ban underscore members equals true. We're going to do sync def on, sync def ban. And pass in self ctx member, which is we specified as Discord member. Now that star there simplifies that the spaces afterwards we will count. So instead of it just only counting the one word, so let's say like that, it will count all the words after it. So I'm going to put that on the end of it. I'm going to create an embed, discord.embed title, and it's going to be successfully banned member, something like that. We're going to set our color to green, so OXOO, FFOO. And you can also do discord.color.green. Do embed.add field, name's going to equal the member name or member username. Enter in our member guess we could just put member like it's false, and you can oh wait, we can do even better, we could mention it, and we can set our reason value equals f, then we could just do reason like that, inline equals false. Now here, up here we're gonna do from datetime import datetime, and here we're going to do today equals datetime dot today. And in here we're going to create a new embed field, and it's going to be named date, and the value is just going to be the today variable, which will display today's date, and we're just going to send the embed like that equals embed. Now I'm going to create member embed to get sent to the member. So member embed equals discord.embed title, you have been banned. I'm going to create a description. It's just going to say guild ctx.guild.name. We have a color to equal discord.color.red. Create a field. It's going to contain the staff member's name. And we're going to put in that as ctx.author.mention. Make sure our inline is false. Hate the fact that page up and page down buttons are right next to my arrow keys. It's really annoying. We're going to add another field, and it's going to be the reason why they were banned. It's going to be reason inline equals false. Then here we're going to set the date, which was name equals date, value equals today, inline equals false. Now, instead of doing await member.send, what we're going to do is we're going to put some try statements. We're going to do try await member.send embed equal member embed, and await member.ban reason equals reason. So we're going to accept discord dot no private message. We're going to do await ctx.send. The user has their DM is disabled. They have still been banned from the server, because I still get banned, just won't get notified. And we're going to ban them for reason equals reason. And here we're going to do our setup function for the cog. So setup bot add underscore cog ban bot. So now we can do a quick edit here, which I just remembered to do. So we can also set our member argument to equal none. So we're going to do if member equals none. Then we're going to do await ctx.send. Please mention a member. We'll do exclamation mark, no dash, sorry, ban. Let's just do tutorial bot swearing, something like that, as an example. Else, so if the member does have a a Discord member argument, we will do the following code. This is just to make sure that the bot doesn't error out when trying to ban a non-existent member, so a member that so they're trying to ban like a zero member, and obviously it won't work anyway because it was not classified as a Discord mentioned member, but it will still error out. Like, this is why we got this in a try catch statement, because it will error out because there's no PMs if the user has no private message. So that's the ban command done, and we'll test that in a bit. Let's now do our kick command, and obviously we're going to do the all basic stuff. We're also going to need that today time thing, so we will also copy that in it, paste it in here, just change this from ban to kick. We can get programming. So I'm going to create another command, so that commands.command, and that commands.has underscore guild underscore permissions, and we're going to have kick underscore members, which equals true. And we'll do sync def kick self ctx member, which has to be a Discord member, and reason equals none. So we're going to create our embed, name the title successfully kicked user. That's why I had it. Nope, successfully member. Change the color to OX. And I can just do color, Discord.color.green. Embed.add field name equals member username. Just going to be set our value. Member.mention. And our inline will obviously equals false like usual. And set our reason. Name equals name equals reason, because I'll type. Value equals reason, inline equals false. And now our embed field equals date. Pass through the today, inline equals false. Send that embed to the channel, so await ctx dot send embed equals embed. Then we're going to create our member embed, equals Discord embed, and we're going to have a title of you have been kicked. Make sure that matches, and we're going to set a description to say equals f guild ctx.guild.name. Set our color to discord.color.red. You can set the color to whatever you like. Just set it to that. And we're going to set this to our staff member username. Value, which is just going to be ctx.author.mention. Set our inline to equals false. Going to send the reason as well. Value equals reason, inline equals false. We're going to send our date as well. It's going to be value equals today, inline equals false. Yeah, again, put in try catch statement, so try accept statement, sorry. So we're trying to send the embed member embed. I'm going to try and do await member.kick as well. And accept commands dot no private message. So then we just do await ctx.send. Guess we could just copy this bit here. This will be the same. Just apart from it saying banned from the server, it will say kicked. Don't know why it's just tabbed like that for some reason. Because the member server, they've still been kicked. And we shall still do our member.kick. Yet again, we can do our normal things. Set that to equals none. And if our member does equal none, you can send a message to tell it to please mention a member. So dash kick at tutorial bot spam, something like that, and else perform the following code. So now that's kick and ban both done. And let's go test it out in our Discord server. Just quickly do all this tabbing like that. Create our setup function. What the add-ons are called? Kick bot, like that. So now we can boot up our bot. Perfect. Python bot.py. Loaded those cogs so they've been loaded correctly, and then our bot is now online. So to test that the argument thing works, yep. Same for that one. Let's now quickly go get a test bot, like a bot that we can use to test the kick. So I just use Dino because it's just easy to add to my Discord. So I'm gonna add Dino bot to my testing server. I'm gonna try to see if we can kick it, and then we'll re-add it back and see if we can ban it. It'll be kind of like a loop. So let's try to kick at Dino for the reason test. Yep, so send the embed telling me that the member's been kicked, blah blah blah. It's also told me that it can't send messages to this user, which is about right. I don't understand why the command stop no private message didn't work. I think one way to do this is to just do discord.discord exception. So any Discord exception it gets caused, it will tell me. So let's restart the bot there. So you can change commands dot no private message to Discord exception, because it will still raise the same thing. It's just instead of it raising only for that thing, it'll do it for all Discord exceptions, but there shouldn't be any more Discord exceptions with that command anyway, because I've handed it up here, as you can see. The only other Discord exception that probably would happen, as you can see, the bot didn't even get kicked because obviously the Discord exception thing didn't work properly. So try kick again at Dino. I didn't even put a reason this time. So obviously it would just say none if I didn't put a reason, and it'll tell me the user has the DM disabled. They've still been kicked from the server though. So let's now re-add this bot back by telling it to add back to the server. We'll try and see if we can ban it. Just need to make sure that I have edited my ban code to also be Discord. Yep. Say that I am human. Should I try it again? This telling me it's forbidden, but it did get added, so I'm going to ban at Dino for the reason test. Send the reason. Tells me they have still been banned from the server, even though I had the DMs disabled, and let's check to see if that's actually works by clicking on bans. As you can see here, Dino has been added to the ban list for test. So that's it for this video, and next video I will show you how to do automod. And then also the video following after that, I will tell you how to make a command so you can disable and turn on automod if you don't want automod on at certain times, if you want automod off at certain times. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.